Hi, and welcome to 1971 Venice Street in the beautiful Point Loma Heights neighborhood of San Diego. This gorgeous California modern farmhouse is perched high on the hill in Point Loma Heights, and it features 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, a stunning remodeled kitchen with high-end stainless steel appliances, quartz counters, a walk-in pantry, and a large island. Vinyl windows, wide plank oak floors, remodeled bathrooms, a romantic fireplace, leased solar, and an attached garage are the icing on the cake. The back wall of the family room features a lift and slide door that completely opens up the space for indoor-outdoor living. The private backyard is an oasis for entertaining and al fresco dining. It has a large deck, a sparkling pool, and killer views of downtown, palm trees, the neighborhood, and gorgeous sunrises. There's also a beautiful turf lawn for kids to play. High above it all, yet blocks to the beach, nightlife, cafes, and dining, Ocean Beach is known for its charm and character and a funky beach style all its own. It's quite possibly one of the last beaches of its kind in Southern California. This home is also close to the marinas, downtown, the airport, and world-class yacht clubs. Unlike many parts of San Diego, this pocket of Point Loma Heights has a great walk score and is close to dining, shopping, the beach, and all of the highly ranked area schools. What are you waiting for? Call us today to make this dream home your reality.